So for today's demonstration, we're going to make a business service dashboard. Okay, before I do that, I just want to have a brief conversation about business services, IT services, business units, and so forth, so that we could, kind of discuss what they are and how they relate to this dashboard that we're going to build. Okay, so just to get our terminology straight, we have a business service, okay, such as lead generation. Okay, this is part of your customer relationship management discipline, which would include sales, marketing, support. Okay, those are different business units in your organization, each with their own functions. Okay. So I thought we'd focus on customer relationship management, talk about what a business service is, the business unit. So they're all supported, as you know, being in IT, by IT. Okay, so service management. Now, the way we bring business and IT together for our dashboard views is by understanding this and also where the data is going to be in the service management platform. Okay, so now it's going to be in different places depending on not only how you deploy it, but also the ITSM platform that you own. So today we're going to go through ServiceNow, okay? And the example is going to be, we've got a normal dashboard, okay, that is focused on incident management, okay? So all of the incidents across the board, the percentage of SLAs met, the critical, the total, the open. But then we're going to add the business service focus in, okay? So we're going to bring in information just to focus on, we're going to filter just to show you the customer relationship management view, okay? At least what IT has supported around the CRM business service, which is comprised of lead generation, opportunity management, and so on and so forth. Now, the applications of the technology that might support these particular operations would be Salesforce.com, Siebel, etc. Okay, so just wanted to set the terminology first so that we have that's straight. And let me discard, close that, and now we're going to get into our dashboard. Okay, so we're going to open up Power BI here, and this is going to be a little bit longer of a video today. I apologize for that, but let's start with our key performance indicators. So we're going to do percentage of SLAs met. Okay, do that. There we go. Okay, so let's choose our KPI widget. So we'll do our KPI widget, percentage of incidents meeting SLA. So again, it's going to start with a generic focus, and we're going to make it business service focused. So we'll do open date, and then we're going to do year. There we go. Okay, so there's our SLA performance overall, not filtered. Then next we'll do average time to resolve. Okay, just do that as a card. Speed things up a little bit here. Okay, the value of that. Average time to resolve. Oh, that's 173 hours. Okay, let's see. So we know overall it's 173. It'll be interesting to see what the CRM business service is specifically. So then percentage of incidents priority critical. Okay, we'll take a look at that. Also in a card format. All right, percentage of incidents priority critical, value there. And choosing 4 KPIs is pretty common up top. Okay, now let's also, and for the last one, again, I'm just doing a card to go a little bit faster here because I know how much time we have. And all right, so we're going to look at incidents closed there. So let's get into our counts. Okay, since closed, there we go. Sorry. Okay, well, I'm glad I did that actually. This helps us get to our next thing, which is our time series analysis. So next we're going to look over time, and so then we would like to bring in the months view into it. Okay, so it looks like most of our data is concentrated in 2013 and 2014. We could filter the dashboard here also just to have a report level filter. Now only show me 2013. There we go. Okay, so look at 2013. Finally, you have your detailed view. So once you have your performance dashboard set up, you're going to want to look at the exceptions. Okay, so then in the final, we're use a table widget, and the table widget is where you can just take and drop in anything you like. For example, the incident number. There we go. Bam. Put in things like priority, whatever field you want. These are just anything that's in ServiceNow. The priority, okay, the category, short description, and all those types of things. Okay, I just brought it in from CMDB accidentally. Sorry about that. Okay, let me hit category. Okay, so anyway, that's our drill down view. Now, in order to get the business service view, a couple different things. So the business unit, that data would probably be stored in either the assignment group. Okay, so let's say, for example, the marketing team would resolve Salesforce.com lead issues. Okay, they might associated with the technology. You'll have a specialist at least in Salesforce.com or Sable or whatever it is that you use. Okay, so that might represent the business unit assignment group. For the customer view, in ServiceNow you do have the caller and so forth. So you've got the ability to drag that into your view. Well, what we're going to do is use the business service, okay, which is going to become, in this case, a page level filter. And then we're going to use our advanced filtering, okay, and anything that contains CRM, okay, in it. I happen to know that that's what it contains. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so so with our CRM technologies, our SLAs, as we look at them, a little bit lower, average resolve time a little bit higher, percentage of incidents priority critical a little bit higher, incidents closed 808. Now another thing you might want to do is add in a few visuals to make this a little bit more appealing to the consumers of this particular business service. So we could use our text box images and shapes to maybe put in the company logo, put in the dashboard name that tells you that this is the the CRM business service dashboard. But I did want to show you how you could, in this particular instance, create a dashboard that is more business service focused. So please let us know if you have any questions or if you'd like to see something custom. You can contact us through our website. Thank you for your time.